Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic. In this video I'm talking about the latest update, the urgent update of the Polygon Matic. So my friends, never miss any second of this video because this is important for all Polygon Matic holders. So let's start. But before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Now my friends, positive 0.94%, the price of the Polygon increase in 1.01 USD dollar is the highest price of the Polygon Matic. That is the highest price of the Polygon. And you can see my friends that absolutely my friend, that is last 2 hours price update, and the Polygon Matic has taken a huge pump. You can see in now again, you can see my friends, in this time the price fast down for some time, and now again the price start pumping. So my friends, now due to these changes my friends, that the price fast down for some time and after some pause the price again explode. So due to this update, now my prediction, my technical analysis, my recommendation for everybody is going positive, and now I'm sure about that Polygon Matic is in the pumping mood, and I hope that they continue this pump for a very long time. So invest now in a Polygon Matic for long term. Polygon Matic is a long-term project. You know what? In the previous days, I saw the price of Polygon Matic is 0.90 USD dollar, 0.90 USD dollar in the previous days. The price of Polygon Matic, and now today, 1.01 USD dollar is the currently price of the Polygon Matic. So I think Polygon is a profitable coin, and absolutely if you hold, so in the future they give you profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.